As we roll into the heart of early Black Friday season, the Home Depot is dropping some of the biggest savings we've seen all year, and Ryobi fans are getting hit with deal after deal that honestly feel too good to pass up. If you're someone who's been waiting for the right moment to expand your ONE Plus lineup, replace aging tools, or finally build your first real DIY setup, this is one of those rare moments where the value just stacks higher and higher. Today, we're breaking down the latest Ryobi offers that just hit the Home Depot. Deals that pair discounted combo kits with free tools, bundles that are hundreds of dollars off, and power upgrades that give you more runtime, more versatility, and more reasons to grab these kits before they sell out. Let's dive deep into what's available, why these deals matter, and how to pick the best kit for your setup. Ryobi has always positioned itself as a brand built around value, accessibility, and a huge ecosystem. The ONE Plus platform has over 300 tools that all run on the same 18 volts battery system, which means every new tool you buy becomes part of a growing network of interchangeable gear. That's why these early Black Friday deals are so exciting, because not only are you getting tools at a huge discount, but you're also getting free add-ons that make your setup even more complete without paying $1 more. And right now, one of the most eye-catching promos is the Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volts 2-tool combo kit. Normally priced higher, it's sitting at just $149, and the value you get out of it is honestly surprising. Inside the kit, you're getting two of the most essential starter tools: a solid drill driver for everyday fastening, repairs, and projects, plus an 18-volt circular saw that gives you the cutting power you need for lumber, sheet goods, and weekend builds. On top of that, Ryobi includes not one but two 1.5Ah batteries along with a charger, so you're set up and ready to work straight out of the box. But where this deal really gets wild is the free tool bonus that's available for a limited time. When you buy the kit, you get to choose from a list of 13 free Ryobi tools, and these aren't filler tools or low-value add-ons. These are legit, useful, highly rated tools that many DIYers buy at full price. Your free options include things like the cordless router, which is perfect for woodworking, rounding edges, cutting patterns, and adding detail to your builds. There's also the oscillating multi-tool, which is one of the most versatile problem solvers you can own. Whether it's plunge cutting through drywall, trimming door jambs, sanding tight corners, or scraping away old material, an oscillating tool is something every DIYer ends up depending on eventually. You can also choose from the compact workshop blower, which is perfect for clearing workbenches and cleaning up sawdust. And then there's the Whisper Series fan, one of Ryobi's most popular summer tools, extremely quiet and powerful, and something that sells out often. Individually, many of these free tools normally retail between $59 and $99, so when you add that to the discounted combo kit price, the total value climbs fast. For new homeowners who need to get the basics covered, this is a perfect entry point. For DIYers who already own ONE Plus tools, it's an easy way to get extra batteries and snag another tool for free. And if you're someone building up a workshop slowly over time, this is one of the most cost-effective moments to add to your setup before the Black Friday rush kicks in fully. But the savings don't stop with the two-tool kit. Ryobi and the Home Depot also rolled out a larger combo bundle priced at just $199, and this one is geared toward anyone who needs an instant workshop in a bag. In this bundle, you're getting 6 core Ryobi tools, enough versatility to cover drilling, cutting, fastening, sanding, and general project work. On top of the tools, you're also getting 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag. Purchased separately, the full value of this bundle normally reaches around $554, which makes the $199 price point one of the strongest all-in-one kit deals in the entire ONE Plus lineup. For DIYers who are starting fresh, this kit is almost a complete starter workshop. For renters or new homeowners who just need dependable tools for occasional repairs, this is a one-stop solution. And for seasonal or hobby users, it's a quick way to get everything in one purchase instead of piecing things together across multiple deals. There's also a performance-focused battery bundle available that includes both A4Ah and A6Ah battery, 2 higher capacity packs that give you longer runtime, more power delivery, and better performance with the ONE Plus tools that draw the most current. Bigger batteries matter when you're using tools like circular saws, grinders, impact wrenches, and rotary tools, and Ryobi's larger packs make a huge difference during heavy-duty or continuous use. Just like the 2-tool combo, buying this battery bundle also unlocks the offer where you can choose one of the 13 free tools. If you already have plenty of tools but want more power, this is an ideal pick, especially since higher capacity batteries normally cost quite a bit on their own. Alongside the headline deals, the Home Depot is also discounting a variety of Ryobi categories across the board. There are savings on saws for woodworkers and carpenters. There are deals on drilling and impact tools for everyday fastening. You can find lowered prices on grinders and multi-tools, sanding tools, blowers, fans, and even speakers for job site audio. Whether you're building, repairing, crafting, or just outfitting your garage with reliable equipment, Ryobi's early Black Friday lineup covers almost every category you could need. One of the reasons these early deals matter so much is because they're a rare opportunity to get not just tools, but full ecosystems at a fraction of the cost. Combo kits with chargers, batteries, and multiple tools are usually the best value throughout the year, and when retailers add free tools on top of that, it becomes the perfect moment to buy. With inflation still affecting tool prices and holiday demand always pushing inventory limits, grabbing these deals early ensures you get the best selection while everything is still in stock. And for anyone who's new to the Ryobi ONE Plus system, here's why it's worth building into. Once you own a couple of batteries and a charger, every future tool becomes dramatically cheaper because you can buy them tool only. That means adding new capabilities, whether it's sanding, cutting, routing, inflating, cleaning, or cooling, becomes as simple as picking up the bare tool and snapping in the battery you already own. That's why the free tool offers in these promos are such a powerful bonus. Instead of paying retail for your next tool, you're essentially building out your starter lineup for free. As early Black Friday rolls in, plenty of tool brands will offer discounts, but deals that combine discounted combo kits with free tools rarely last long. If you've been waiting, planning, or comparing prices, now is the moment to lock in the value before the rush hits full swing and inventory starts to disappear. Whether you go for the 2-tool starter kit with your choice of a free tool, the massive 6-tool bundle, or the high-capacity battery kit that unlocks another free tool option, these deals are among the strongest we've seen from Ryobi all year. If you're upgrading your DIY setup, building your first home toolkit, or adding power and versatility to your garage, workshop, or job site, these early Black Friday Ryobi deals are absolutely worth checking out before they're gone. Make sure you don't miss future updates, breakdowns, and the latest power tool savings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.